Oh yeah, I forgot to turn it on. Hi guys. So we're next door here. Hi guys, what's going on? Ah, the sheep. Hi guys. Hey, look at you chickens. Hi guys. Hi guys. Here. There we go. Hey. How you doing?
Is that Norman?
No.
Oh, they recognize you.
Yeah, they recognize me. Hi guys.
I don't have any treats, sorry. I don't have any treats, I don't have any treats. No, I don't. No, I don't.
Hey guys, what?
Yes, 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 yes.
And you got the geese and ducks up there. Hey guys. Hey.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hello. Man, their heads are hard. Huh?
Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. That water, hey? Starting to suck right back into the ground. Hey.
Oh, so cute, yes. You smell it on your
Yeah, if I smell the horse on me.
Yeah, I smell it on them.
Oh, there, yeah.
That smelly.
Oh, yes. Yeah. What, guys? What?
The chicken.
Yeah. See how they put their weight on it? And all of a sudden you have... And that's a lot of weight. You get 2 or 3 doing that. Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes.
Mm. Oh, are you getting... Oh, he almost got you. He was looking at the stick and shaking his head. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know why it was open, but it came in. So I guess they could come and go as they want.
Oh, the chickens.
Yeah, the chickens, right in there.
Why
That's
are
why.
the geese in there?
Well, the geese are... Why?
Are geese?
Yeah, they go in there.
As long as they're nice.
These guys. These guys can be very overwhelming. Their strength is in the numbers.
Well, we're just gonna make sure they behave. Oh, you'll go in this pond?
See, a tree fell over there, eh? Right there. That could have easily went the other way. And not only that, Mom, because of the geese, it's the bacteria that's good for their stomachs as well, right? It gets them, it's a, you know, it cultures them most of all, so it's not a bad thing. I know they're gonna get dirty again, yeah.
Hey. Yeah, the message isn't going through.
Okay, guys, come on. Come on, guys. Come on. That was fun. Oh, I think that one's trying to get in.
Aw.
From here, we might have to help there. Good. Let's see. Nope, found his way home. Good. Hey, guys. What? Yeah, nice door. Very nice door.
Yeah.
Look at that door. What craftsmanship.
I know. You did a great job.
Very nice job. Housekeeping. Puff your pillow. Yeah, that's nice. Beautiful. Oh, look at that big fly right there. Fly, fly. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. A dog? Yeah. They're just gonna throw everything into one big video. You know, I'll just do it on a GoPro app or something and see what they can do. GoPro. Because I represent probably most guys that this is as much as I want to do for work, for doing stuff, you know, for editing and stuff. So let's see what it has. All right. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
This is playing. We get the